Hi guys, I am Kirtan, also known as Pixel with me on social media platforms. In today's video, I am going to speak about my experience with the Google Pixel Buds A series and its customer support. I recently completed 1 year with this Pixel Buds A series on May 2023, and after completing 1 year, one of the buds stopped working. So I was disappointed because I didn't expect this from a brand, well-known brand like Google. But the best part is Google replaced it with the brand new Pixel Buds A series. So I reached out to them in the month of June, which is around 25 days apart from the date of warranty.
So the overall replacement process took around 15 days of time. So the first thing I did is contacted Google customer support and told about my issue with the Google Buds, and they raised a case, and I received a email from Google Buds Care team in the 24 hours. So in that mail they asked me regarding the issue, and they asked me like how long I was having this problem from, and they asked me the troubleshooting steps that I have followed. So I replied with the required details they have asked for. Then they emailed me again that the case is raised, and they have given the case ID, and they told that Reddington team will be contacting me for the next. So then I received an email from ProConnect Reverse Logistics Center. So it's a subsidiary of Reddington. So they asked me to send the defective unit of Pixel Buds A series to their address via courier. So I sent the defective unit to them, and they sent me back the replacement unit, the brand new unit, on courier to my address. So this simple process took around 15 days of time. It was very quick and it was very easy. So I received the brand new Pixel Buds A series at my doorstep. So it's working completely fine now. So all thanks to Google.
Nowadays there are so many brands when it comes to TWS or earphones, and they have so many guidelines for claiming the warranty of their product. For example, if there is a single scratch on the buds on the case, they won't claim it for warranty, and if you reach out to them one day after completing the warranty date, they won't claim the warranty. But here with Google, this didn't happen to me. I reached out to them after 25 days, but they replaced it with the brand new Google Pixel Buds. So it was a positive experience for me. So I was overwhelmed by the customer support or the service given by the Google team. So I would appreciate what they have done when it comes to customer support.